All right, Ken Range Theory Trader back with you with another FOMC video. Not a good day for me overall, but there was one setup that was worth taking. I would say, of course, with FOMC, it's not even necessary to even trade it. But if you do decide to trade it, I would recommend looking for a CRT that starts distribution or expansion at 1 p.m. Okay, which is this one right here. So this is the only one I'll cover. This is pound New Zealand short. So we had just our range candle, which formed at 5. It's just a 591 candle range high right there. Candle range low right here. Mark that. There we go. So then our 1 o'clock open, we try to find wicks or expansion candles that have like a 10 pip or less wick, ideally. Sometimes it could be a little more, especially with the news. You never know. But the best entry on this one would have been right at, we could say like 155, right before news would have hit. Now, of course, that is a gamble though, because news is 50-50. Sometimes it'll complete the range, other times it will not. Let me see if there's any fair value gaps here though for a guide. Okay, so we had a couple chances to get in here. Of course, 155 would have been a good entry. However, that would have been a gamble. You could wait for the retrace into this fair value gap, which would have given you an entry between 245 and 250, and that would have been good for 50, 60 pips or so. So just a reminder, if you choose to trade FOMC, typically wait until after the news comes out and try to do a 591 pattern in line with our standard candle range theory. And, pretty textbook. If you don't catch the initial fall, try to catch a fair value gap that was created in the first hour of the distribution candle. So remember, we use our hour by hour guide to show us what we can expect for each hour. And even though this candle hasn't closed yet, this right here, 1 o'clock, of course, is the first hour right there. So ideally, we like to be in the first hour of a expansion candle, but at the same time, we hope that sometimes hour 2 can give us a retrace into whatever fair value gap was created by candle 1. So but that's it. That was the best trade of the day that I did see. I hope you guys caught some, and we'll be back tomorrow. But have a great rest of your day. Take care.